Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
To tell and to explain that people have explained what happened. Sir, can you explain to us what happened at this particular premises today?
And the people, four people came from the, we don't even know them. They said they are speaking Hausa. They are foreign number. Okay. So they came, they said that they have a visitor from the Reverend, Father Reverend. They came from maybe the Ondo State father. The one that control Ondo State. They came to visit them for the service. That's why they came here to kidnap that woman.
Okay, is it the man alone that was kidnapped?
It's only that man.
Okay, what happened after? What happened before the kidnap?
I was not here.
Okay.
But exactly 12, that is what the people said, around 12 that this thing happened.
Okay.
But we are in the market.
So is there any record or evidence that truly people were killed?
I don't know. The people I counted, they are more than 10.
That you counted?
Yes, counted. They are more than 10.
Okay. All right. Okay. So, all right. People have been sent out of the premises of where the incident happened. So, as you can see, the gates of where the incident happened is closed. So everyone is outside. This scene where the incident happened is very close to the popular Ojaoba Palace. That is the palace close to that is the market close to the palace of Oduduwa. And the governor of Ondo State, Arakunrin Rotimi Akeredolu, is from Owo, this particular local government. And it will be recalled that barely 2 weeks ago, there was an attack in Owo whereby a foreign engineer who constructs roads was kidnapped. So this, with what happened last 2 weeks thereabouts, and the incident that happened today, got people talking about what happened in Owo. Now it is not clear to the people particularly what happened in Owo. So let me try to get attention of one or two people if they will be able to speak in their dialects. Yes, ma'am. So the incident is what people are still talking about. Gathering in twos and in threes. Getting to the scene of the incident, we see it was noticed that vehicular movements were very scarce and people were indoor. Even up to now, they've not been able to come out in their numbers, and economic activities in the town as well is suspended. No religious activities, no economic, no social, and every other activities related to humankind. So that is it. The people are not. Looking around, it is a very sad incident in Ondo today. So one of the women beside me just said in her dialect that this is where the incident happened, and they attacked the incident. So this is it. So people are clamoring for she open the door. They eventually get into the where the incident happened. Ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣàlàyé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi wa. We don't want. Tẹ́ bá rí gbogbo bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí, tẹ́ bá bá àwọn Fúlàní Muslim, tẹ́ bá bá yóò wéṣẹ̀ àwọn yìí. Tẹ́ bá bá yóò wéṣẹ̀ àwọn yìí. She's way for Ido Eka now. She no get rest of mind. She no get rest of mind. Tó bá fẹ́ dìbò báyìí, wọ́n á bí ìsáwọn Christian, wọ́n á débẹ̀ tán, wọ́n á máa fàyè nira wọn lára. Must we belong to the same religion? I don't know. How is it possible? Is it Tinubu báyìí? Ó fẹ́ lọ fún president o, ó jẹ́ Muslim, ó ti lọ gbé Muslim. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní fún ṣe. Is it true that people were killed here? Oh. About 89 people. About 89 people are killed. They are innocent. What is the solution that you are proposing? Solution for this is that we don't want Buhari. We are tired of them. We don't even want Muslims to rule us in this country. We are tired of them. We are tired of them. We don't want them. Animal must not rule us in this country again. Anybody better than me and your John lójú ẹranko ni. All we need is Yoruba nation. You understand? We want to be on our own. Let them be on their own. We want Yoruba nation. We need Yoruba nation. You understand? And I don't think it's going to be election in Yoruba land. You understand? All we need is Yoruba nation. You understand? We don't want to be people. We want to be on our own. Let them be on their own. We want all we need is Yoruba nation. You can interview this person. He escaped with one of his teachers. You actually escaped the incident. Can you narrate to us what happened precisely? Ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún wa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀.
Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí báyìí, Ọlọ́run nìkan, torí tí bá ní kí n máa rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ mi mọ́ bí máa fọ̀ ṣe. Orí bá ṣe ń ṣorí ọ̀fẹ́ láti fẹ́ jáde, la kò gbọ́ ìbọn yẹn fòfò. Àkọ́kọ́ gbọ́ làkọ́kọ́, ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì bá ṣe gbọ́ làkọ́kọ́ bá ṣe wẹ̀yìn nìyẹn o. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì náà bá ṣe gbọ́ àwẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta yẹn bí gbogbo wa ṣe tá wọ ibi tí fàdà wà yẹn nìyẹn. Gbogbo wa ṣe sá lọ sí ibẹ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo wa sá lọ. Àwọn tó ń gba fẹ́ẹ̀ sí ń gba sípẹ́ǹsì, èmi kí ló mú ọmọ méjì dání, mo fayọ̀ kan mọ́ àyà. Eléyìí tí mo pàdé níbi ìwárí mọ́, gbogbo èèyàn máa ń kígbe pé ọmọ mi náà, wọ́n á mọ ìwárí yẹn, wọ́n máa ń kígbe pé ọmọ mi màrọ́ ọmọ mi. Lẹ́tà rọ̀ ni mo á rí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Ó wá kígbe bàtà, màá ní sọ̀rọ̀ bàtà ló ń sọ yìí ni pé kò fọ̀rọ̀ bàtà sílẹ̀, Wọ́n fi pẹ́sẹ́ mọ̀ bàtà fún wa sọ wípé don't worry about another slippers or bí mo ṣe.
Ṣé àwọn ọmọ méjèèjì yẹn ṣàlàáfíà ni ó wà?
Àmà escape o. Bí gbogbo wọn ṣe ń gọrí fẹ́ǹsì nìyẹn, èmi lè rémi lè fún ọmọ méjì gọrí fẹ́ǹsì. Aṣẹ́ ìwà bíbẹ̀, àwa wọnú tọ́lẹ̀tì wa, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àtàwọn ọmọ ṣe tilẹ̀ kù.
So what she's trying to say in Yoruba is that she escaped with her sons, her 2 children. They escaped the incident and she confirmed that it was true. Now, how it happened was that they were sharing the grace when they had gunshot thrice and they had to run to where Reverend Father was. And by the time, before she could know anything, what happened, she had one of her children, she does not know where he went to. So he was looking for him while he carried the other child. And people here now are trying to talk about what happened.
Bros, was the priest kidnapped?
How many people said that? How many?
Can you count how many gunmen that came in?
The man actually explained what happened, and he confirmed the presence of security operatives, that the military men, the soldiers, precisely. And he actually said again that he saw about he can't say of what others saw, and they kidnapped people. Yes. So one of the eyewitnesses also confirmed that the Reverend Father of the church, that's St. Francis Catholic Church in Owo, has been kidnapped, and about 100 bodies were killed at this incident. So what is said in our dialect is that they've bagged the dead bodies to St. Louis Hospital in Owo, and St. Louis Hospital had to reject them. They closed their gates, and even FMC Owo, dead bodies, the bodies of those who were shot are currently there presently as we speak. So the question most of the residents of the world are asking is, who knows the next person that will be attacked? Who knows the next church that will be attacked? This is the front of the church. From one of the eyewitnesses interviewed earlier, she confirmed that the incident happened and she escaped with her 2 sons. So,
the boy was killed and the street was still there. If you can go there, you can be able to see the street. Are you with me now? It's a great video. So what happened to Arab community? No security in our local government. They want to finish his local government.
In interpretation of what he said he's calling on the attention of the state governor, that is Oduduwa, to intervene to this matter, as the residents, the occupants of the community of Owo town are no longer safe, and he should beef up security in the community, the ancient town of Owo. The people are now calling on the attention of the state government and the governor himself, Oduduwa, who is also from Owo, one of the local governments in Ondo State, to intervene in this situation. Both in and out of where the incidents happened are filled with
individuals, both young and old, talking about the sad occurrence that happened. And from one of the witnesses that spoke earlier, he said lives are presently, dead bodies are presently lying at the Federal Medical Center, popularly known as FMC in Owo, and also St. Louis Hospital in Owo.
A political rank party stuff. I used to what the Mr. Heck and Mr. B. And I see the situation right there. Boy, what is happening here now? If they get down to Igbo church tomorrow, now we Yoruba Obo. I used to so no security, you know, don't say I like to me. If you are able to look my face about that, if you want to arrest me, arrest me. He's not doing anything. He's only using your hands. We are not a fool. I'm a full graduate of electrical electronics engineering, and I feel my friend something in Auchi. I serve in National. All this thing that is happening in this place is a nuisance. We can send it from the governor because if it doesn't seem it's not happening like this, okay, why would they attack only the Igbo church? And the rest of the churches, all the Christians in church. What can really happen? Today is a very great shame for Arab to me. Are you now? It's a great shame. Because all that bomb, when we say go proof for that place, not be that one we need. Not be okay, like me now. I'm a self-employed. Personally, since how many years I should finish school. Okay, all our guests, all the doctor to Olosho finish. Okay. So if
is there any police intervention?
No, but it was after the
or any military.
Excuse me, ask me one question after the other. One question after the other.
Was there any police intervention?
It was after the incidental matter. Are you with me now? No police, no security, no Amoteku. It was after killing of our people. I'm partly adopted and partly from this town. Are you with me now? So what's not the thing that is happening? We don't need to say Igbo people are not part of us. They are part of us. Are you with me now? So anytime when you go to Igbo place, I don't use this. It's unfair. Are you with me now, my brother? It's a great debate. So we on those days our war.
So what the woman was saying was that aliens have occupied the town and they are trying to disrupt the peace that the occupants, the residents of the town are currently enjoying. So she actually employed the state government. So she's also lamenting on the insecurity affecting the nation in general. There is no security.
What I would not say good news is that it is a black Sunday for people to debate. Because this thing has been happening in the north, but with the security situation in this country, I would wish that everything has to be intact and high, because as it is, the whole country is affected. And what happened now that is making us that to see that what is going to happen in 2023 election that is coming up. But this thing they are doing now is giving us a sign that now you'll be telling everybody to come and vote and vote and vote and vote. And what's happening? Every day kidnapping, hijacking will be coming from all the way from Lagos going to this. There's no security. It is annoying. But I appeal to the president of this country to make sure, and the people on top, to make sure that something is being done. Normally, what we are hearing is attacking Catholic churches. They will situation where they will come, they will attack the priest and make sure they carry the priest. Look at the people that is dead in this hour. I'm a born bona fide son of this hour here, and I'll be attending Catholic church every time I come here. But when I heard the news today, I was very, very sad. I called one of my friends in the news. I said, okay, it's TBC and everybody is. Thank you very much.
That is Mr. Idowu Ijaniyi explaining what's happened. He's a bona fide native of our local government, and he said, according to him, whenever he comes to our work, this is the church where he worship. This is the premises of the church, as you can see. People are still at the gates. St. Francis Catholic Church, Owo, Ondo State.
Wọ́n máa ń wà níbi gbogbo wa ṣe sálọ tá a darí síbi ìbẹ̀rù yẹn o gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ní padà fún gbogbo wa la sálọ síbi ìbẹ̀rù tí títí ìbọn yẹn pẹ̀lú bí wọ́n ṣe fà wọ́n nìyẹn gbogbo wọn wá ń gorí fẹ́ẹ̀sì mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ méjì mo fa ọkọ̀ dání lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yẹn bí mo ṣe rí ní pé gbogbo èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo kọ́ ọmọ mi bí wá ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yẹn ó ń rìn ọbọ ìgbà méjèèjì ló ń rìn bí mo ṣe fa ọkọ̀ dání lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn bí wá bí gbogbo èèyàn ṣe ń ṣubú lura nìyẹn bí wá rẹ́lẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀mí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yẹn bí wá rí mọ́ bí gbogbo èèyàn ṣe wá pariwo pé ọmọ mi o èmi náà mo wá káwọ́ sórí wá wo ẹ̀gbẹ́ bí wá rí mọ́ èmi náà mo wá káwọ́ sórí ọmọ mi èmi náà mi ọmọ mi lẹ́tà rọ̀ wọ́n ṣe ṣubú lù mí nìyẹn bí mo ṣe ń dàgbára mi náà ni ojú ìṣèjọba lè fi mo pé dání lọ́wọ́ bí mo ṣe wá rọ̀ mọ́ mi bí a ṣe sá títí tàbí wọnú tọ́lẹ̀ táwa lọ tí mo wá kàn mọ́ nínú tọ́lẹ̀ tí a wá gbé síbi gbogbo wọn wá sábà ojú fẹ́ǹsì wọ́n ti sábà ojú fẹ́ǹsì èmi dẹ̀rẹ́ ó kọ́ ọmọ méjì lórí fẹ́ǹsì wọ́n sì sábà èmi ní kọ́ ọmọ méjì mi lè gbàbẹ̀ láti ọmọ méjì bí èmi ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ ní tọ́lẹ̀ bí mo ṣe ìfapọ̀ wọn sọ̀rọ̀ bí a ṣe wá rí ní pé gbogbo bọ́ ẹ̀ bá ṣe wá rí ní pé wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ti lọ pé gbogbo wọn ti lọ wọ́n ṣe wá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá ní everybody máa jáde bá ṣe wá ń jáde àwa rí ọ̀hún tó kù sílẹ̀ tó rẹ̀ mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi tó máa wù mí àjọ ara mi mo dàbí bí mo ṣe wá jáde síta ní bí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tó wà ní opposite ìbẹ̀ bí mo ṣe gba àjẹgbà ọ̀gá àbùkátà.
So at the back of the fence there, so he is trying to point out where people were also killed. The woman in that interview explained that she escaped with her two sons, even as they had to run inside the toilet. But luckily for her, she escaped the incident. So this is our local government, one of the 18 local governments in Ondo State, and this is the premises of where an attack was launched this afternoon. St. Francis Catholic Church, Ondo State. So we will be bringing you subsequently. Thank you for joining us.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.